Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for participating in this session outlining new mining investment opportunities in Saudi Arabia. Some of you may remember that earlier this year we announced a plan to transform the Saudi mining sector. We launched a complete review of the sector legal structure, governance, geological database, and licensing procedure. During this extensive review, we focused on how we might improve the journey of a potential investor across the entire Saudi mining value chain and supply chain. I'm excited now to share with you the tremendous progress we have made in bringing a world-class investment opportunities to explorers and investors like you. Our journey to building a new Saudi mining ecosystem was launched under Vision 2030, the government's comprehensive program for economic development and diversification. Vision 2030 identified our resource-rich mining sector as a potential third pillar of Saudi industry, alongside the petroleum and petrochemicals. Already, in only the last decade or so, over $40 billion has been invested by public-private partnership in multiple commodities and in a fully integrated mining value chain across the kingdom. We now have a significant new production in precious and base metals, an integrated mine-to-metal value chain in aluminium, and we are undergoing expansion in our phosphate value chain to become the third largest global supplier of phosphate fertilizers. And we believe there is much more to come. So what is the size of the prize? The highly prospective Arabian-Nubian Shield area has already been proven, but our research indicates the total untapped potential value of the kingdom mineral resources exceeds $1.3 trillion. In addition, local demand for minerals is high. Saudi Arabia is the world's fourth largest importer of metals and mineral products, and the new industrial activities triggered by Vision 2030 will mean increased domestic demand for metals and minerals. To encourage further investment, we focused on enhancing the ease of doing business by clarifying regulations, improving governance, increased digitalization, streamlining procedures. We also work to de-risk investment by improving the quality and availability of geoscience data. I would like to briefly talk about each of these achievements. Recently, we launched a comprehensive revision of the Saudi mining investment law that was benchmarked against the international best practice. The new law has now been published and will be fully activated in January. We believe it will enhance clarity, transparency, investor protection, and streamline license approval. We are improving the beta version of our new web-based platform called Ta'deed, which will be the point of access for mining license application. A new application for exploration license will be accepted beginning December. And to ensure complete transparency, we have published details of all applications and issued licenses to date. In addition to online applications, certain mining blocks will be made available to investors in a public auction process during 2021. In the mining sector, the availability of accurate geological data is key to sound decisions and successful new exploration investments. As a result, our focus has been on de-risking investment so that investors can access data and more actively participate in the development of Saudi mining sector. The beta version of our digital national geological database already allows online access to 80 years of national record, including 10,000 reports on mining targets and prospects. But just last month, we also launched our Regional Geological Survey Program, one of the world's largest. It will continue for 6 years, cover 600,000 square kilometers, and collect and analyze over 100,000 rock samples from the mineral-rich Arabian Shield area in Saudi Arabia. Through extensive airborne geophysical surveys, multi-element geochemical surveys, and detailed geological mapping, we expect to better understand the mineral resources of the Arabian Shield and provide adequate basis for targeted exploration. We will make the detailed data available to all who are interested, including current and potential investors, researchers, and academia. Combined, these initiatives will improve geological knowledge, reduce geological risk for mining investors, and accelerate exploration. But to support this increased activity and investment, we need more companies to join us in exploration, in mine development and mining operations, in sector service delivery, and through industrial investment in both upstreams and downstreams. We seek partners in waste management, vocational training, standardization, resource and reserve studies, and inspection services. We need environmental monitoring and consultation studies, services providers in AHS, and services related to site rehabilitation and logistical supports. Saudi Arabia now offers mining investment opportunities that are supported by promising geological prospects, enhanced access to data, robust regulations, competitive terms, growing supply chains, and access to healthy regional and international markets. We already have excellent partnership with some of the world's best mining companies, including Alcoa, Barrick, and Mosaic. But to achieve new growth, we are enhancing the ease of doing business and empowering investors with geological data to help them make the right assessment of new targets. As a result of reforms like these, Saudi Arabia climbed 30 places in the most recent Doing Business survey conducted by the World Bank. The kingdom launched more reforms than any other nation in the survey. The World Bank concluded that in Saudi Arabia, things that once seemed impossible are now possible. The changes we are making in mining have improved sector governance, increased transparency, streamlined application procedures, boosted efficiency, and enhanced the overall investor journey. We stand ready to help your organization identify investment opportunities in Saudi mining. Together, we can build a world-class Saudi mining sector based on strategic partnerships and a strong mutual benefit. Thank you, and I hope to see you in Saudi Arabia. Assalamu alaikum.